What's up everybody, it's Nick. Welcome to this tutorial about how to back up your footage with just one click, and actually it's a double click, but that doesn't matter. And you know, don't ever have to drag and drop your files to external drives again to back them up. And you know, I always have the trouble of checking, okay, where did I put my files, which ones have I already backed up to this drive, and now it's just clicking the script and you're all set. To perform our backup from our internal to our external drive, we're gonna have to do some small configuration, and we're going to use rsync to do the backup. And rsync is a unique CLI tool that is capable of mirroring or synchronizing folders between machines, like computers, or between different drives. If you're on Windows, this tutorial is not for you. It's pointed at Mac users and Linux users. I'm going to start with those. If you're on Ubuntu or Debian, you can just type sudo apt-get install rsync and it's done. If you're on Mac, you have to use Homebrew. If you don't already use Homebrew, it's a package manager just like apt-get. Just type this line into the terminal and execute it. I'm not going to read that because it's just a little too long. After that, you can just type brew install rsync and you will be all set. Don't worry, I'm gonna put all those commands down in the description for you guys, so you can just copy and paste. Don't have to, you know, copy them from the screen. No problem. So let's get going, guys. Here to the left we see our source folder, it's my internal drive, and here to the right we have our destination folder on my external drive, the lazy. And I'm just gonna open up this backup script in TextMate editor. Whatever editor you want to use is fine. Create an empty text file and copy this text in there. It just states that it's a shell script, puts out okay, footage backup when you start it, and runs this rsync command, which just basically copies or mirrors all the files from the first folder to the second folder. In this case it's an example folder. And I'm just going to go ahead and close it here, and then we're going to run the script. Just you have to put the extension .sh in there, or .command if you're on Mac, so it just will automatically open it in a terminal. Just going to double click it here, and then runs the backup. And yeah, as you can see, the files are now in my backup drives folder right there. And if I now go ahead and delete the source file or this movie file in the source folder and run the backup again, it will still stay in the on the external drive. And that's a nice thing if you just want to have your current footage on your internal drive and a long-term storage of all your footage on the external drive. That is it. Now you can back up your footage in an instant. Don't worry about anything, and I'll put the code in the description just as I said, so you don't have to worry about anything. And this is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel, and I will see your faces in the next video. Later.